Hi guys, and welcome to day 8 of our 21 baby steps. Like, how cool is this, you guys? So now today we go back to our trusted timers because we are going to do 15 minutes of a declutter. Let me tell you, until I started the Fly Lady system, I didn't know what declutter was, you guys. I was extremely clueless, and my house was just one big accumulation and amalgamation of junk. Well, until I started the Fly Lady system. Now, what we all know about decluttering is that sometimes we expect it to be like one main day when we are going to declutter our entire house. But Fly Lady tells us that we should make decluttering a lifestyle, because we are always bringing stuff into our house and rarely do we make the time to get things out. So she says it's important to just every day try to look for something to get rid of from your house every day, and then have a specific place where you put them, and then regularly give them away. Know where you're going to take the stuff that you're going to declutter. So in our baby step today, we are going to have 15 minutes of declutter. So basically, this is from now henceforth until you finish the 21 days. You're going to take 15 minutes every day to declutter an area of your home. It could be your books, your paperwork, your kids' clothes, your own clothes. Every single day, set a timer for 15 minutes and declutter something. Now, I am going to tackle the bottom of my wardrobe because I've been putting a lot of junk there. And every time I look at that place, I'm like, oh my gosh, mess galore. So I'm going to set my trusty timer for 15 minutes and tackle that area. And when the bell rings, when your timer goes, stop. Put everything that you want to get rid of in the dustbin. What you want to declutter, put it in one place. And then as soon as you can, donate it. Take it to wherever you want to take it. Don't just accumulate things to declutter and then just keep accumulating, So that's what we're going to deal with today. And now let me get my phone for our timer. And I'm done. How awesome was that? And with 3.5 minutes to spare. Boom shakalaks. Yes, I'm so happy because that place has been giving me a headache every time I open my wardrobe. And now when I open it, voila, I just see cleanliness and order. So that's what we're going to be doing every day until we're done with the 21 baby steps. That's basically the whole idea of the 21 baby steps, guys. I hope you are doing what we do on day 1, on day 2, we keep on and on adding and adding until by day 21 we have these amazing habits. I almost said amazing habits that are going to take us through and help us to feel more organized. So thank you for spending this few minutes with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy decluttering. Bye.